We now have the entrance, or the point of entry, I should say, into ethics for Plato. We've now seen what ethics, or what morality is for the state. And remember, Plato was setting up this analogy in the mouth of Socrates. That is, the state is the individual, this is a Latin word, writ large. That is, the state is just a big person. Therefore, remember, he says justice in the state is the same as justice, ethical virtue, or morality is in the individual. But notice one thing that Plato has to be able to do. If his explanation of justice is correct, or I should say explication, an explication is an explanation, a theory that explains. So his way of explaining justice is the parts of the state and their relationship, and when their relationship is in harmony. That's what justice is. But the analogy only holds if the individual is made up of three parts, like the state is made up of three parts. Now think about, what are the three parts of an individual? Me, myself, and I, bad joke, right? They used to, years ago, 50, 70 years ago, there used to be a big joke, I'm here with three people, me, myself, and I. But in order to make the analogy, Plato now presents his theory of the soul. And when you think about the soul, you're really thinking about the person, the mind. I mean, it is true that Plato's view is that the soul lives on. I mean, it's a view that those of you who know something about mythology, know a little bit about Homer, Hesiod, it's the soul. People assume that the essence of a person, what a person is this soul, and they believed in reincarnation. But Plato's going to present this theory of the soul, and it's not a physical thing, but we don't have to worry about that. But the interesting thing is that he's going to present a theory. But the question you have to think about is, are there three parts of the soul that have the same virtues as the parts of the state? Because that's exactly how Plato has to press his claim. If he's defined justice for the state properly, and he claims the same thing is true of the individual, he's got to explain what the three parts of the soul are.